It's Penny and the professor. Here's Penny.
Hi, kindergartners. Wasn't that cool how he danced? I wonder, how he did that. What do you guys think? It's pretty cool, huh? What did you think, Penny? Oh, you have a question? Yeah. Penny wants to know, how do his feet move so fast? Because they were moving fast and he wasn't even tripping and falling off the steps. I would probably fall flat on my face if I tried all that. Well, I'm going to guess that the answer to that question is he practices a lot. I bet he practiced and practiced and practiced and got so good. And that's why he was able to dance so well. That's my answer for that. All right, what sounds did you guys hear during the video? Did you guys hear any sounds that sound like something you've heard in our book, Rap-a-tap-tap? Yeah? Penny, did you hear it? Yeah, so Penny heard actual tapping, like the shoes going tap-tap, tap, 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 right, on the steps. And like we say the words tap, 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 rap-a-tap-tap. But saying the words is a little different than hearing actual tap dancing like in the video, right? So she heard the tapping of the words in the text and heard the sounds of tapping feet in the video, which was so cool. I bet you guys heard it too. Why do you guys think the authors keep repeating that phrase in our book? Why do you think they keep saying rap-a-tap-tap? Think of that over and over and over again. What do you think, Penny? That's a good answer. She said it's because it reminds you of tap dancing, and the whole book is about Bojangles tap dancing, and it sounds like rhythm and rhyme and like a nice little dance sound, right? I think that's a good answer. Good. How do the words and illustrations on the pages work together to help us know what Bojangles dancing was like? Like, how would we know it was tap dancing and not ballet dancing or rap, what's that kind of dancing called? Break dancing or hip hop dancing. How do we know it's tap dancing? What do you guys think? Good one. So I heard somebody say you can see his legs swishing and moving like they're tapping back and forth in the pictures. So the illustration shows legs moving and you can hear the words, right? Tap, 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 tap. And we all know that a tapping sound sounds like, so it's goes with the words and the picture to show that he's tap dancing. It doesn't show him break dancing or doing some cool hip hop moves or ballet dancing and spinning around, right? It really does show in the illustrations his legs moving like a tap dancing formation. And we hear those words rap-a-tap-tap, so we know it's tapping. Well, guess what? For our focus question task this time, we are going to be focusing on what we're hearing and seeing in the book, just like we did with the last two books, with Chicka Chicka Boom Boom and with Last Stop on Market Street. So what I want you guys to think about is we've already talked about what we see, right? We've drawn pictures. I have them up on the organizer for us. Now, what do we hear in the book? I know we hear a lot of rhyming words. So what we're going to have you guys do today is get your 3x5 cards out. So I'm going to grab one of mine. So you're going to get your 3x5 cards. They're these little cards like this. They have lines on one side, blank on the other side. And you're going to find two words that rhyme. Now, we've practiced doing our rhyming game. We've looked for rhyming words. We've put them on sticky notes. What I'd like you to do now is get yourself a 3x5 card and draw a line right down the middle. And then on one side, draw a picture of one thing that rhymes with another thing. So on mine, I drew street, and I wrote street, and greet. I wrote hi, and I wrote greet. So street, greet. Those are my two rhymes. See if you can find some other rhyming words. If it's the ones off your sticky notes, that's okay. Or if you can find another pair of rhyming words, that's even better. We're going to put some of these pairs of rhyming words up on our evidence organizer for what we hear in the book Rap-a-tap-tap. Because when we do our focus question task soon, pretty much next time, we're going to need to know what we see and what we hear from our book. So get going on your 3x5 cards and make me some pictures and labels of what you hear for rhyming sets in our book. Can't wait to see what you guys find. Have an amazing day. Bye for now.